Look no further than the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sensuously styled GLC 300 that's ready to infuse your driving life with luxury and capability. This sleek, spacious SUV delivers fine materials and craftsmanship, assertive performance, exceptional comfort, and ingenious versatility to make every excursion a delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Take confidence along on every drive. Get into the GLC 300 SUV. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.